Hey, what's going on, everyone? Check out the house right behind me. This is where I will be doing an open house this Saturday, 12 to 3. This is 9455 Royal Estates Boulevard in Orlando. It's right near Magic Kingdom and Disney World, near Horizon West and Lakeside Village Shopping Center, close to everything. I highly encourage you to come visit me on Saturday, 12 to 3. This is a beautiful house. You're not going to be let down. If you know of anyone looking for a home on this side of town, please send them this way. Realtors, send your buyers. You don't even have to come out with them. You know, I'll take care of you. Just have them drop your name and you're protected. So come on out. Open house Saturday, 12 to 3. This is an amazing pool home in a beautiful community with a community pool near Disney. And I look forward to seeing you then. Take care.